Hi, this is Chris, 24K on Instagram, 24K on Twitter, and 24K_lifestyle on TikTok. Today we're showcasing the Western Digital WD Blue SN550. This is an NVMe SSD 2280 size, and it has up to 2400 megabit read and up to 1900 megabit write. Here's the card right here, and what's special about this design is that they put the controller chip up here and the memory DRAM over here, so that when these both heat up, this actually is several degrees cooler Celsius when running under full load than when you have the memory chips right here stacked up against the controller. And there's nothing on the bottom, so all the heat comes off of here. So if you build a heat dissipation system, you only need it one spot. And you can fit these in most motherboards. You can use it for caching on NAS drives, that's network attached storage. And you can even attach these into gaming systems. Those details will be in the description below, so be sure to check that out. Alright, this is the Western Digital WD Blue SN550, and the new SN570 just came out, so we'll be showcasing that on a future video. Be sure to check that out. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments, and of course, thumbs up.